HeyGen is a generative AI platform that empowers users to produce high quality avatar driven videos from text, images, audios, or even direct video inputs. Whether you're creating a marketing snippet, how to videos, or a multilingual avatar, HeyGen provides an intuitive way to produce polished video content without an expensive production pipeline. So we have signed in, and on the first page, we asked what are we going to create. So choose one accordingly. We are going to make a marketing video. So we'll choose that and go for submit. So we are currently operating on their free plan. So we'll get three free video creations per month. So let's create an avatar video first. So we can either create an avatar video from a photo to video process, or we can just create a quick avatar video using the prompt. And if you want, you can even create your own avatar or create an interactive avatar. So let's first get with the avatar video creation. You need to choose one avatar. Let's go for the current selection only, and we'll go for the script next. You can either type your script here, or you can even upload a recording, or if you want, you can use the surprise me button. This would create either a text or a audio file for you. Next, select the voice, go for this Annie, and then generate the video. So while that's creating, let's see what else do they have. They also have a voice creation where you can create your audio files using their AI generated voices. Here are some of the voice artists that they have.
Hey there, here's how I sound, hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Hey there, here's how I sound, hope you like it. The right voice.
So in this library, you can move around and hear to what voices that they have. And if you are happy with one of the voice, then you can just get their voice ID. And while creating your avatar, you can just paste this voice ID there so that your avatar has the same voice as the artist that you have already listened to. And if you're unsure about what to create, then you can also use their templates to create your creation.
Hi, where
For
we're
example, let's go
revolutionizing
for
everyday
this
solutions
business
to help
pitch
businesses
template,
achieve more.
and we'll create this template. So here's our whole speech. This is the preloaded one. So here's the speech, and you can change your avatar from here and the voice artist right here. You can create the entire thing from scratch. You can even change the ratio of how you want the pitch or the video to look like. Currently, this is how it looks.
Hi, everyone. Welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce Pitch Perfect.
So this is right now on the beginning phase where you can only hear the voice. Let's generate this so that we can have the animated of the moving too. Additionally, you can store your brand kit like the logos and the watermark right in the brand kit area. You can also keep your media files uploaded so it would be easier to edit your videos. One of the video has been created. Let's have a look at that.
When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.
And this is the other video.
We'll cover key areas, including the problem statement, where we'll define the challenges we aim to address, followed by the solution overview, where I'll present our innovative approach. Then, we'll move on to the showcase.
So I'll say the creation is good, the lip sync and the movement is all great, and it could work really good as an like a reporter or a news agent or maybe like a demo person. So it would be really great if you are looking forward to creation of like videos and demo videos where you want a person to enact, and this could be an AI presenter for you. So yeah, let's have a look at the pricings now. So we're currently on the free plan, and as I told earlier, you will get three video creations per month. So a creator plan would cost you $29 per month. A team plan would cost you $39 per seat per month, and you can contact them for the enterprise pricing. So with that, have a happy creation.